in this video I'm gonna show you how to attach or detach the mopping pads to your Roborock Q Revo Curv. To attach them, it is pretty simple. Just take them and put them into these two holes, just like that. And to remove them, it is also pretty simple. So just use some force to take it out. Now they are removed, and you can also detach the mop from the pad because it is attached with a Velcro, so you can detach it, you can wash it with water or in a washing machine, then put it back on and put it back into the robot. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.